None of us can deny the health and wellness benefits of Himalayan pink salt from Pakistan. It is being used for various purposes including cooking, salt therapy, skincare products, and other spa treatments. This is due to the uniqueness of the Himalayan rock salt crystal structure and its hand mining from the Kiura Himalayan salt mines. But what sets Himalayan pink salt apart? It's not just its rosy hue that makes it special, but also the intricate crystal structure forged over millennia deep within the Kiura Himalayan salt mines. Hand-mined with precision and care, each salt crystal tells a tale of ancient geological forces and human endeavor. Every year, Pakistan proudly exports around 400,000 tons of this culinary treasure in various forms, ensuring that its benefits reach far and wide. But behind these impressive numbers lie stories of hard-working laborers whose dedication ensures that nothing but the purest Himalayan salt graces your tables. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of pink salt mining, uncovering intriguing facts that will deepen your appreciation for the labor of love behind every grain of this precious commodity. Himalayan salt, renowned for its rosy hue and distinct flavor, is exclusively sourced from the salt mines nestled within the picturesque landscapes of Pakistan. Among these mines, the largest resides in Kiura, Punjab, situated adjacent to the foothills of the mighty Himalayas. Geological studies paint a captivating narrative of the Earth's ancient past, proposing that around 250 million years ago, the intricate movements of tectonic plates led to the entrapment of seawater within the Earth's crust. As centuries passed, this trapped seawater gradually evaporated, leaving behind vast reserves of Himalayan salt, now cherished for its purity and mineral richness. Beyond Pakistan's borders, Himalayan salt finds its way onto the shelves of stores worldwide, sought after for its culinary and therapeutic properties. Fortunately, the salt deposits in Pakistan are bountiful, ensuring a sustained supply of this precious mineral for generations to come. The extraction of Himalayan salt is a meticulous process undertaken by skilled miners, employing various techniques tailored to the unique geology of the region. Despite the challenges, their dedication ensures the continued availability of this natural treasure, enriching cuisines and wellness practices around the globe. Many people say that it was Alexander the Great's horses who discovered these salt deposits. However, later, the Britishers were the ones who ramped up the salt mining process in the 1870s. They developed proper tunnels inside the mine to extract this precious rock salt. Then, one of the British mining engineers came up with an innovative idea to extend the tunnel system inside the mine, known as the room and pillar. Interestingly, this architectural system is still in use because of its efficiency. The miners extract half of the mine salt in the room during the salt mining process, while the remaining 50% serves as the room's pillar. This method not only ensures the safety of the mines, but also helps in maintaining the structural integrity of the mountain ranges and salt chambers. You'll be surprised to know that 19 stories are inside the mine, out of which 11 are below the ground. The installation of the electric railway in the 1930s made it convenient to extract the salt rocks outside the mine. Additionally, it allowed the tourists to witness the extraction process. The laborers and miners use explosives and dynamite just once to open the main entrance in the initial phase. First, they use the auger to drill by hand and then pack the gunpowder. Later, they ignite it using a protection fuse and blast out the salt. This method has been in use for hundreds of years. However, its use is discouraged inside the mine as the toxins pose a severe health risk. Moreover, it's necessary to keep the crystalline structure of the Himalayan salt intact. Don't worry, the miners don't use the explosives inside inside the mine. Instead, they do the mining by hand using hammers, pickaxes, hand drills, and other tools. The laborers gather huge Himalayan salt blocks during the mining, load the containers, and take them outside. As a result, the miners excavate around 1,000 tons of salt daily, which equates to the fat of 157 elephants. Later, different industries process the salt blocks in different grain sizes and shapes depending upon the end product and the application. Some factories feed the blocks in the grinders to break them into compact grains that are suitable for different uses. For instance, coarse Himalayan pink salt consists of large salt crystals that are used in grinders and spas, while fine Himalayan salt crystals are perfect for cooking. Moreover, many manufacturers make salt bricks and lamps from the large slabs of Himalayan salt. One of the most significant advantages of pink salt mining is the overall economic growth with increased exports. One of the most distinctive features of the pink salt that separates it from the regular table salt is its pink color, courtesy of the iron traces. The Himalayan salt has recently gained popularity because of its healing, health, and wellness benefits. Moreover, it contains additional mineral traces of calcium, potassium, and magnesium essential for the human body. The good news is that there isn't any evidence that highlights the harmful effect of Himalayan salt mining on plants and wildlife. And there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe to Factorify for more captivating content on the wonders of industry and innovation.